Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video with your girl Nat. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make these delicious red velvet loaf cakes. So please, on your way in, hit that like, also hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the post notification bell so you don't miss out on another video. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So we're going to start off with 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm using a sifter just so I can make sure all of the ingredients is broken down. Now I'm adding 1.5 cups of sugar. Watch y'all. Y'all see those pieces left over at the bottom? This is what you don't want inside of your cake mix. Now I'm going in with 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of fine salt, and 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. And I'm using the Garnish premium baking cocoa powder. This is like the best cocoa powder to use. So if you're making this recipe, get the Garnish. Now we're going to sift these ingredients together, and we're going to try to get as much of this as we can into there. I know you guys see the little pieces, so I'm just going to try to break it up a little bit. Now that we added all of our dry ingredients, we're going to just make sure everything get a nice good stir. Now once you're done stirring, you're going to go ahead and sit this over to the side and get a separate bowl. So now in my separate bowl, we're going to mix in our wet ingredient. And I'm using 1.5 cups of vegetable oil. Two large eggs. Now I'll be adding 1 cup of room temperature buttermilk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of white distilled vinegar, and now we're going to be using 2 tablespoons of red food coloring, which is about 1 ounce. Now we're going to go in with our hand mixer and mix all of our wet ingredients together. Now we're going to be combining our wet ingredients with our dry ingredients. Get all of that goodness out. I'm just going to use my spoon to just kind of mix it so that way I don't have a mess when I turn on my hand mixer. Now we're going to just give everything a nice blend until you get a nice, smooth, creamy cake batter. So I added a few more drops of food coloring just so I can get that more intense red that I'm going for. So now I'm just going in with a spoon to scrape the edges to make sure I got everything nice and mixed. But this is how your cake batter should look. So now I'm going to be using some mini loaf pans, which I have already sprayed with some pounds. And you can find these off of Amazon. I thought these were really cute just to do for like baby showers and different type of parties. So if y'all have any events coming up and y'all want me to ship y'all out anything, hit your girl up. So now I'm just using an ice cream scooper to scoop out about 2.5 scoops in each pan. Now I'm going to place in the oven for about 25 minutes and then I'll be right back to you. So for the cream cheese frosting, I'm going to be using 2 sticks of unsalted butter. Now we're going to just blend the butter just to soften it up and add air to it so it can get fluffy. Now we're going to be adding 1 pound of cream cheese, which is 2 sticks. Now we're going to combine the butter with the cream cheese. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Blend, blend, blend. Y'all let me know down in the comment section if you guys are still here. If so, leave me a cupcake. So now we're going to be adding 4 cups of powdered sugar. So after letting our cakes cool down, I'm going to go ahead and place some icing on top. And y'all, I'm still learning how to top with the icing, so don't come for me and my icing. Yeah, I was struggling, but I made it through. Now I like to add chopped walnuts on mine. You could add whatever you want on top of yours, but I'm adding some chopped walnuts. And just like that, here go our mini red velvet loaf cakes. Y'all ask and y'all shall receive. So you guys let me know in the comment section what's the next dessert you would like to see me make, and I'll be sure to consider them all. Until next time, you guys, I appreciate you guys for watching. Stay safe out there, and peace.